That one's drilled deep to right field. Is it fair? Yes, it is. See ya. A 2-run home run for Teixeira. Yankees lead 3-0.
What a year for Mark Teixeira, home run number 24. He got behind in the count early, fouled off a tough pitch, and then got a mistake. And just hammered it right down the line. The only question, would it be fair? We'll take another look. Joseph setting away. It's a split, and it's right down Broadway. Great look that it curls inside of that pole. 2-run jack. What a year Mark Teixeira's having.